Hi, how are you guys? I'm Aziz. Hope all of you good. Today I want to show you how you can make lighting with Corona Engine in very short time. Okay, first of all, you see I have a very simple scene. First of all, I open my material editor. I press M and it's open. Okay, first thing that I need one sky and I need one Corona color correct. I add my sky to Corona color correct. I use Corona color correct sometimes because I change my Corona sky setting sometimes and I need this and it's too much good. Okay, the next step is I open my render setup here. I going to scene, here scene environment. I select single map and I add my sky here as an instance. Okay. Now I start on rendering. See, without any light, and now I have light. Okay, you should change some setting here. Maybe I put 2.5 my contrast here. It's and you should add highlight compression and here LUT. Okay, I put this on 10, maybe it's good. I use Corona LUT, this one, and I put it on here. Okay, now you see I have environmental light, but I should change some setting and add more light to my scene. Okay, now I stop it. I go to render setup. First thing, I go to my Corona sky and I put it fake horizon blur to 1. Okay, I close this one, I don't need now. Okay, I go to render elements. I add one C masking ID, I add again one light mix, and here light select. I came here and I use ENV for environment. You should change the name here, and after that I press including environmental light. I select light, I change the name and I put it include environmental light. Okay, now here I have this light. I can put it 1 from tone mapping, and here in light mix I have environment. I put it on 5, 4, 3. If 5 is good, I put it on 5. Okay, the rest you have nothing. And now I want to add one light here and one light for this wall. Okay, now I go here. Okay, I use Corona lights as a rectangle. I put it here, guys, like this, and it's good. I think I go to top. Okay, I put my light here. Okay, now I select my light. I can change my light setting from here. Okay, now I came here, I add another light select. Here I change the name wall light, and here you don't need to press include environmental light because this one is for your environmental light, and for this type of light like Corona light, you should just change the name, and from this part you should add it here. Finish. Now as you see, I again start render. See, here I have light and here I have wall light. Here you can change the light setting. Maybe this one is good, and I can change the color to maybe more yellow. Yes, this one is good, I like it. Stop, and here Again, I want to use, I select this one, I isolated this one, and Chronolight, I put it as a disk and here. Okay, now I put my light here, and from this side I go and fix it until here. This is my another light. Okay, now again I go to render elements and I add C shading light select. I change it to calendar light. Okay, now I add it here, and again I start, and as you see here I have light, but it's too much low. I increase it, I put it on 10. Maybe see here I have light now. This one you can change it, but for daylight I don't need this too much. I think I put in 5 is enough for me. This one is more important, and your environmental light. Okay, I can put it on 6. 6 is good. And another setting, we don't need to change another setting. If you want to add bloom and glare to your scene, you can select it from here like this. You can check it. Okay, now our lighting is finished and you can render it. I open my render setup here. I always use noise level limit, it's perfect. I use 5 here. Denoising mode, I put on chrono high quality, and I come here, I put it on 3. And if you want to have more detail for your lighting, you can use highlight clamping on 3, but it's increasing your rendering time a little bit. Okay, now everything is finished and I can render my scene. I start rendering and it will be finished, and at the end of the video I add my render. You can see our result with this type of lighting. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe me on YouTube.